Rinseless washes are a great way to get your car clean when you don't have access to running water, like a garden hose. Or if you live in a condo, an apartment, maybe it's wintertime, it's freezing outside, the water hose is frozen. So they're a great way to get your car clean without scratching the paint, and Wolfgang has the perfect product in a rinseless wash that contains nanoparticles of ceramic. Wolfgang Uber SiO2 Rinseless Wash. Wolfgang Uber SiO2 Rinseless Wash contains nano-sized particles of silicon dioxide. That's ceramic particles. And every time you use it, you lay down a hydrophobic layer of protection plus incredible gloss and water beading. In fact, we brought in a car here that's neglected. It hasn't been waxed for years. And I'm going to show you how well this product works by simply washing one half of the hood and then drying it and then throwing some water on there so you can see the water beading action. Let me show you how easy it is to use a rinseless wash using the multiple towel technique. The first thing we need to do is mix up a solution of our Uber SiO2 rinseless wash. Now, the Uber SiO2 rinseless wash comes with a handy dandy little measuring system on it. So you just squeeze the bottle and it's pre-measured. You can tell exactly where you're at. That's 1 ounce. Add that to 2 gallons of water. And then take and mix that up thoroughly before you put your towels in. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dunk 10 towels in here. And the reason I'm doing this is because by switching to a fresh, clean towel often, you reduce the risk of scratching your paint because you don't take the dirt removed with one towel and wipe another panel with it. You go ahead and dispose of that towel or save it to wash later. The idea being, dunk your towels first, and then wash one panel at a time, and then put that towel aside and switch to a fresh, clean towel. Now, when you go to use this, the way you do a rinseless wash is go ahead and you pull your towel out, and you want to go ahead and squeeze out the excess water. You want it wet, but you want to be able to hold it up here so you don't see a solid stream of your wash solution coming out. So this is still wet, but it's not overly wet. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take, and I'm just going to wash one half of the hood. Normally you would start at the top and work your way down, but I'm going to show you the water beading ability of this product. So we're just going to take and wash one half of the hood. I'm going to set this aside. Then I'm going to take my clean drying towel. This is a guzzler. I'll go ahead and dry this off. Wow, it's already really slippery. That towel just slides across there. Okay, there's dried off. And you would just repeat this to the rest of the car. Wash a panel, then dry it off. But what I want to do is show you the amazing water beading ability that this product imparts on your car every time you use it. To do that, I'm just going to use this IK sprayer here with some water in it. Normal water. Watch this. There's the side I washed with the new Uber SiO2 rinseless wash. There's the untreated side. See how it just lays flat? Over here it's beading up, running off the car, and that's just after one wash on a neglected finish. Every time you wash your car using this rinseless wash, it's going to impart that SiO2, keep your car cleaner longer, and it's going to have a self-cleaning effect anytime it rains. Water's going to rush off the car, take all the dirt that's built up with it. And of course, always use good technique. Normally I would start at the roof and work my way down, but the only way to really show you the incredible water beading this new rinseless wash imparts to your car was to actually do it on the hood. Besides using it as a rinseless wash, you can also dilute it accordingly and use it as a spray detailer, a waterless wash, a clay lube, and even to add more lubricity to your favorite car wash soap. Besides being a great rinseless wash, getting your car clean anytime you don't have access to running water, or using it as a spray detailer, a waterless wash, a clay lube, or adding lubricity to whatever your other favorite car wash might be when you do a normal car wash, it imparts a very slick and slippery finish. finish to your car, and that's something we all like. I am confident this is going to become your favorite rinseless wash. To get your bottle, go to Autogeek.com. For more videos like these and how-tos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Me? I guess I got to finish washing the rest of this car.